This video, I'm going to show you how much money you can make affiliate marketing. I'm going to break it down very simply for you. By the end of the video, stick to the end. You're going to know how to do it. You're going to know what you need to do. Then you can take my affiliate marketing course. It's a free course in the description. It takes about an hour to get through, and you'll be an expert. And after watching this video and all of those videos, you'll be on your way. Okay, free information on the interweb, and you're on your way making money online. Okay, so stick with me right now. Let's go inside and let's see how much money you can make online. Okay, so here we are. Okay, affiliate marketing. Take the free course. Click the link in the description. Take the free course for affiliate marketing, but I'm going to fly through this. So if anything you don't understand, take the course. You'll figure it out. You'll find out very quickly. All right. Okay. So affiliate marketing, you're going to have a product. Okay. Now you can do a private network product, which is I recommend, but for the sake of the video, we're going to go to ClickBank. ClickBank is a platform where you don't really have to wait to be approved for offers. You can go right to the platform, pick an offer, find an offer, get a link, and start making money. Okay, so we're going to go to ClickBank. Okay, so like I said, ClickBank is a platform. They have hundreds and hundreds of offers in every niche, no matter what your niche is, whether it's whatever it is. Okay, you're going to come up here to the marketplace. You click the marketplace, you're going to be here. You can find products different ways. Subscribe to the channel. Watch my other videos. I'll show you how to find products. Okay, but you're going to search. All right. Now, over here on the side is all of the niches. Okay, I'm just looking for the product so I can show you where it is. And Manifestation Miracle. Okay, Manifestation Miracle. This is a high conversions, says right here, high conversions, and it's 75% commissions. Average sale is $211. Initial is $50. Blah 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 blah. Gravity is $27.52. Gravity is important. It's how many people are earning money selling this every month. So now we found an offer. Okay, and you find the offer, and you're gonna have to build a landing page. You can't go directly to the offer. Let me see if I can click now. When you're looking for an offer, you're looking for an affiliate page, because when you click the affiliate page, this is where you're going to get your ClickBank ID. You're going to put your ID in here, and they're going to give you what's called a hop link, and that's going to be your special link that you're going to use to send people to the Manifestation Miracle, or whatever your niche is, whatever product you pick. And in the meantime, they have all of these other things you can use. Social media, banners, they show you what keywords to use. They have images for you can use. They have, now here's about the landing page. Now, if you wish to drive paid traffic, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, Bing ads, whatever you got, you can't go directly from your ad to their page. You have to go to a landing page. It says it right here in their terms of service. You have to, okay? It has to go, here it says, it's essential that you send visitors to a page on your website and not directly from an ad to our pages. It says it right there. So you need to build a landing page, and you're going to want to build a landing page because that's how you're going to capture someone's email so that you can retarget them in the future. Okay, so no matter what software you use, you may have software already, you may use a different kind of software. I use Builderall. You don't have to use Builderall. It's basically the same. They're all the same, how to use them, you know, how they're set up, cut and paste and drag and drop and all that stuff. So Builderall has all of these apps. There's like over 30 apps in Builderall, and you get it for one low price, monthly price. And you know, if you can become an affiliate for Builderall, you get 3 people under you, you're getting Builderall for free, and you're making money with Builderall. Anyway, so Builderall has all those apps, and one of them is building a landing page, and this is the landing page that I built. Okay, now they hit the landing page, and you're going to capture their email address here. Okay, and by the way, there's free meditation with this. They're giving away a free a free offer so I can capture their email, so I'm giving away free meditation tracks, okay, MP3s. And so people are going to put their email in there. I'm going to capture their email. I'm going to have it on my email list, and I can retarget them, send them an email once a week, twice a week, once a month, whatever I want. And I can retarget them with this offer in this niche. And when I, a month from now, 2 months from now, 3 months from now, I can change the offer. I always have their email address. And from now on, I can always send them offers and different offers and make money. Now, how much money can we make, and how do we get traffic? Okay, we need traffic. Like I said, you got ads. Okay, so you're going to pay for ads, Facebook ads. I'm going to use Facebook ads, but Google ads, YouTube ads, they're all basically the same. You're going to have a landing page. Okay, they're all going to charge you per click. All right. So let's say you start off, you send 100 people to the landing page. You send 100 people to the landing page, and an average conversion rate is 2%. That's where, actually it's 3 to 5%. We're going to say 2%. Okay. Right. What? Okay, so obviously what that is, right? So 2. So you send 100 people to the website. 2 people are going to buy, right? 2 people are going to buy. And what did we say? It was $50, right? So that's 100. So you make $100. Okay. At 2% conversions, you're going to make 2 sales. You're going to break even with $50. You're going to make $50 a sale. Okay, but then you're going to turn around and you're going to go back in. You're going to send another 100 people to your website, but this time you're going to get 3% conversions because you tweaked your ad, you changed the picture, or you changed the headline, you figured out something wasn't working and you changed the word, or you changed the comma, or you added something to it, and you noticed all of a sudden now your conversions improved. So now you're making 3% conversions, right? So now you made 3 sales, which is $150. So you spent $100, you made $150. So you made $50. Okay, so now you're going to put that $150 and you're going to keep rolling it over. Now again, when you get up to 3, you're going to keep improving your ad over time, and you're going to get up to 5% conversions, 10% conversions. So when it's and I'm using 100, you could send 1,000 clicks at a time, whatever. So 100 clicks at 10% is $1,000 a day. If you send out, so now you're up to $500 a day just sending 100 clicks. Okay, so you can see how powerful. Now you can send 200 clicks, 1,000 clicks. As you're making money, you keep putting more money into it. It keeps snowballing. Before you know it, you're making money online, right? It's very simple. And now the other thing too is, see the landing page. Now you may come. I took all these colors and all of these pictures and everything right from the affiliate page that they had. Okay, but let's say I didn't think this was converting, or I wanted to change this, take the quiz, or I wanted to not give away the meditation. Maybe there's something different I can do. So you change it, and then when you change it, it changes your conversion rate. You go up 5%, 10%. Every change that you make can change your conversion rate, positive or negative. You keep playing with it and tweaking it until everything works, and that's how you're going to make money, and that's how you get better at it. And that's why I'm saying it's not hard. Okay, it's pretty easy, but it could be difficult. There's a learning curve, and it takes time. All right, and if you're willing to put the time into it, and then the thing is, once you learn how to do this and you get one of these things figured out, and you're making money and you're turning it into a positive, okay, you can turn around and you pick another product and start another mailing list in a different niche or in the same niche, whatever, and you can just this is something that you have for the rest of your life. You send product. It's printable money, because is what they say it is. Because every time you need money, you send out an email list. If you have an email list of 10,000 people with a 2% conversion rate, that's 200 sales at $50 a sale. Now you're talking, right? So you got to turn around and think big and realize you're not going to make money at the beginning. But as you start building steam and learning how to do things and tweaking the ads and tweaking your landing page and all of that kind of stuff and not giving up, okay, you'll make money online. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to help you. I want to help you. I'm going to show you how to do it. Leave a comment below. How much do you need to make a month? That's the question. Leave a comment below. How much do you need to make a month? What's your bottom line? Let's figure out how much you need to make a month. All right, let's get you there. Okay, here's a little look at one of my campaigns in Facebook ads, okay? So I spent 30 cents a click. They sent it to 2,076 impressions, means they showed it to 2,076 people, okay? It reached that many people, and I got 52 results, so 52 clicks, okay? So 52 clicks times, so I spent $15.60 on clicks, and out of the 52, I made $50 a sale. So I made $2,600, and I spent $15 on ads. Actually, it was $150 on ads. Okay, so $150 on ads and $2,600 made. Okay, and that's how affiliate marketing works. You're going to spend less on ads than you're making on your conversions. Okay, and like I said, as you get better and better and better, landing page gets better. Your ad gets better. Now your ad has, if I set up, I don't want to go through that right now.